Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the bash scripting. Today we are going to learn how to convert a string to the lowercase in the bash. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we are going to learn convert a string to the lower. So there is a function, okay, that will help us. So let's first string to convert the lowercase. So this is the string. So let's add the full code over here and let's understand that one. Okay, so here we go with this one. String to convert to the lowercase. So the my string is this one. Convert the string to the lowercase. So this is that one, dollar my string comma comma, right? So this is a function. Then original string we are printing, and then lowercase stringing that is assigned to that variable. Okay, so let's save this and let's check. Okay, so here we go with this one. So the original string is hello world, right? And the lowercase string is hello world. You can see the string is lowercase right now. Okay, so this is the function that will help, that is dollar my string and then comma comma. It will help you to convert the string to the lowercase. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.